Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial introducing Metafactory's data cataloging capabilities, which allow you to capture and manage metadata about your data assets. Let's assume we have some additional metadata about one of our vocabularies, and we want to provide this information to users. Now, let's navigate to datasets and look at the datasets in our system. We see there is one dataset listed in relation to the role vocabulary we have in the system and a release date. By clicking on the dataset, we can also edit this metadata or add more details, such as version, creator, publisher, etc. Of course, datasets can be any kind of data that has been loaded into the system, such as instance data about persons, organizations, or projects. It helps us keep an overview of all of the data sources. We can also integrate this data into the user interface. For example, it can be made available to end users in context, such as in search results. To see this, let's search for product developer using the quick search. In the results we see the dataset, and by clicking on it, its release date. Data cataloging is as simple as that. This concludes our intro to data cataloging with Metafactory. As a next step, you can start with the next chapter in this tutorial on managing instance data with Metafactory. Thank you for watching.